My dear students, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to talk about one more creative career and also a career which is highly futuristic and highly in demand. That's nothing but career in robotics or career as a robotic engineer. A person who has creative attitude and visualization ability and also good knowledge and interest in working with numbers, statistics, and having a mathematical knowledge, who would like to invent and also create something new, can look for this career. And this is the futuristic. We know pretty well that 2020, like 2021 or the 21st century onwards, every industry is looking for automation and every application needs automation. So this robotic career is going to be in high demand, and let us dive into this details of this career and see how one can become a robotic engineer, a career as a robotic engineer. Okay. So as I said, it is suitable for candidates with visualization ability. And robotic engineers, they are the engineers who work in the field of robotics and automation. He or she is mainly responsible for developing, designing, and application operation of the robots and robotic systems. One of the major responsibilities is designing and developing the robotics and automation systems in a cost-effective manner. These professionals are also responsible to develop and test the automated machines to make sure they are safe to operate and economical to purchase. And they use the computer-aided design and the computer-aided manufacturing, that is CAD/CAM, and drafting to develop and test the robotic systems. Another responsibility of a robotic engineer is to create an integrated environment between humans and robots and use the system for the manufacturing assembly line. Here, robotic engineers are sometimes also known as automation system engineers or robotics test engineers. Let us see what are the eligibility to become robotic engineer. The eligibility to become a robotic engineer, and he should be fulfilled by candidates to pursue a career as a robotic engineer, are this. Something like the candidate must have pursued a diploma or bachelor's or master's degree in robotics engineering from a recognized institute, and the candidate must have opted for a specialized course in robotic engineering such as automation, micro robotics, medical robotics, or design and control or robotic motion planning, etc. And the candidate must also have adequate knowledge of computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing, as I said, CAD/CAM. And the candidates can also pursue a degree in MS in robotics to get a more in-depth knowledge and enhance their expertise in the field. The candidate should have this education path. After completion of 12th standard in science stream, the candidates can go for a bachelor's in robotic engineering, and the candidates can either opt for BTech in robotics engineering or BE in robotics engineering. And you have some entrance exams actually. IIT JAM, National Institute of Technology of MTech, Artificial Intelligence and Robotics entrance exam, and postgraduate engineering common entrance test, PGE set, and IISc entrance exam, etc. So after completion of the education in robotics engineering, the candidates can either go for a campus placement or direct interviews also. And also various entrance exams which the candidate can opt for to pursue a bachelor's or master's degree in robotic engineering include IIT JAM, National Institute of Technology, MTech Artificial Intelligence and Robotics Entrance Exam, Postgraduate Engineering Common Entrance Exam, PGE SET, and IISc Entrance Exam, etc. And the opportunities, if you see the different fields in which they have opportunities are research, design, developing, and test. These are all the areas in which the robotic engineers will get jobs. And the robotic engineers job roles can be named as automation engineers, autonomous vehicle design engineer, factory automation engineer, research engineer, and robotic system engineer. And the tasks performed by a robotic engineer, if you see, they have to review or approve designs, calculations, or cost estimates, and process or interpret signals or sensor data. They have to debug robotic programs. They have to build, configure, or test robots or robotic applications. And they have to create backups of robot programs or parameters and provide technical support for robotic systems, design end-of-arm tooling, and design robotic systems such as automatic vehicle control, autonomous vehicles, advanced displays, advanced sensing, robotic platforms, computer vision, or telematics systems. And they need to supervise technologists, technicians, or other engineers and design software to control robotic systems for applications such as military defense or manufacturing, and conduct research on robotic technology to create new robotic systems or system capabilities, and investigate mechanical failures or unexpected maintenance problems. And also they need to integrate robotics with peripherals such as welders, controls, or other equipment, and evaluate robotic systems or prototypes. They need to install, calibrate, operate, or maintain robots, and conduct research into the feasibility, design, operation, or performance of robotic mechanisms, components, or systems such as planetary rovers, multiple mobile robots, reconfigurable robots, or man-machine interactions. And also they need to document robotic application development, maintenance, or changes. And they need to design production volume or precision in high throughput operations such as automated ribonucleic acid analysis or sorting, moving, or stacking production. And also write algorithms or programming code for ad hoc robotic applications and make system device lists or event timing charts. And they need to design or program robotic systems for environmental cleanup applications to minimize human exposure to toxic or hazardous materials, or to improve the quality or speed of cleanup operations, and plan mobile robot paths and teach path plans to robots, and design robotic applications for manufacturers of green products such as wind turbines or solar panels to increase production time, eliminate waste, or reduce costs. So now let us see the technology skills required for a robotic engineer. A robotic engineer should have an analytical or scientific software knowledge, that is computer-aided engineering, MathWorks Simulink, Gazebo, and MathWorks MATLAB. And computer-aided design CAD software, that is AutoCAD, Autodesk, Bentley MicroStation, Dassault Systems SolidWorks, Dassault Systems CATIA, and content workflow software, that is Atlassian Jira, and development environment software, that is Microsoft .NET Framework, National Instruments LabVIEW, Microsoft Visual Basic, and Microsoft Visual Studio, and graphical user interface development software, that is Graphical User Interface GUI Builder software, and industrial control software, that is Human Machine Interface software, HMI software, and supervisory control and data acquisition SCADA software, programmable logic controller PLC software, and Rockwell RS Logic, and operating software, system software, that is Linux, Unix, Microsoft Windows real-time operating system RTOS software, and object-oriented component-oriented development software, that is C++, Python, Microsoft Visual C++, Oracle, Java. and the object-oriented software we have seen, and then the presentation software, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, and the knowledge required for a robotic engineer. If you see the engineering and technology knowledge, that is the knowledge of a practical application of engineering, science and technology. This includes applying principles, techniques, procedures and equipment to design and production of various goods and services, and knowledge of design techniques, tools and principles involved in production of precision technical plans, blueprints, drawings and models, and knowledge of circuit boards, that is computers and electronics knowledge should be there, and mathematic knowledge should be there, knowledge of arithmetic, algebra, geometry, calculus, statistics and their applications, and also mechanical knowledge, that is knowledge of machines and tools, including their designs, uses, repair and maintenance, and English language, knowledge of the structure and content of English language, including meaning and spellings of words, rules and composition and grammar, and also knowledge of physics, knowledge and prediction of physical principles, laws, their interrelationships and applications to understanding fluid, material and atmospheric dynamics, and mechanical, electrical, atomic and subatomic structures and processes, and production and processing, that is knowledge of raw materials, production processes, quality control, costs and other techniques for maximizing the effective manufacture and distribution of goods, and knowledge of principles and methods for curriculum and training design should be there. And also the skills what they require is they need to have the science, complex problem solving, critical thinking, judgment and decision making, mathematics, reading comprehension, system analysis, active learning, system evaluation, operation analysis, speaking, active listening, monitoring, writing, operation monitoring, coordination, instructing, negotiation, persuasion, social effect perceptiveness, time management, and troubleshooting. Now we can go to this abilities. The abilities what they need to have is problem sensitivity, that is the ability to tell when something is wrong or is likely to go wrong, and it does not involve solving the problem, only recognizing there is a problem. Then deductive reasoning. So here the ability to apply general rules to specific problems to produce answers that make sense. And inductive reasoning, the ability to combine pieces of information to form general rules or conclusions. And information ordering, oral comprehension, written comprehension, category, flexibility, fluency of ideas, mathematical reasoning, near vision, oral expression, originality, visualization, written expression, flexibility of closure, finger dexterity, speech recognition, number facility, perceptual speed, arm, hand, steadiness, selective attention, speech clarity, visual color discrimination, control precision, manual dexterity, memorization, time sharing, or these things. And if you see the work activities in detail, they should be able to evaluate designs or specifications to ensure quality, interpret design or operation test results, program robotic equipment, design electromechanical equipment systems and electrical, mechanical and integrated systems, maintain operation records or record systems, advise customers on the use of products or services, design industrial equipment, research advanced engineering designs of applications, develop software or computer applications, supervise engineering or other technical personnel, investigate system, equipment or product failures, calibrate scientific or technical equipment, evaluate characteristics of equipment or systems, and install production equipment or systems, operate industrial equipment, prepare operational reports, design industrial processing systems, develop operational methods or process that use green materials or emphasize sustainability, document technical design details. And also the interest, if they are investigative interest and if they are realistic and conventional, they can opt this. And types of job roles of robotic engineers or robotic programmers. They are the professional who is responsible for designing, building, and implementing the automated business processes using robotic technology. And robotic system engineers. System engineers are the professionals who use CAD. I said CAD CAM, you know, they use the CAD CAM, and also robot design engineers. So robot design engineers are the professionals who use the designing software and tools to design the different aspects of a robotic system. And automated product design engineer. So an automated product design engineer is a professional who designs the automated product and manufactures them as per the use cases. And robotic test engineer. Robotic test engineers are responsible for testing the designed and developed automation system. The main responsibilities will be to make sure the designed or robotic system is safe for use by the customers and is working as per the design specifications. And the employment sector or industry in which they can work is they can go for government or private based, and also they can get jobs in multinational automation companies. And also robotic engineers who have expertise in the field of automation can become a scientist, where they can use different use cases to design the robotic system and also invent some new specification for enhancement for automation. And robotic engineers can become professors in top IITs and NITs and IIITs. And the top recruiting companies are Precision Automation Robotics India Limited, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, DRDO, Bell, IIT, BARC. These are all some of the places. And the pros of becoming a robotic engineer. What is that? That will be a positive aspect of becoming a robotic engineer. The demand for robotic engineers is higher worldwide, and thus the pay scale for them is very, very high. And being a robotic engineer provides various opportunities to work in different sectors such as mining, nuclear power, etc. So this is what I would like to tell you about a robotic engineer. So when you take up a career, I request and suggest you that you know about the nature of work of that particular career, and also align with your abilities and skills and interest. Only then you will enjoy your job, and also you will perform better. So this is what I would like to tell, because robotic is a very fancy word, and even the small kids in the school have started learning about robots. And this is going to be a fantastic career in the future. And many people are looking forward to take up the futuristic jobs. And this is one of them. And people who are good in realistic careers, who are imaginative, who have the visualization ability, who are more creative, who are process oriented, who are very sincere, intelligent, research oriented, can immediately think of taking up this job. And come back to me if you have any more doubts. Stay blessed.